South India is a treasure trove of chicken recipes, from mild and coconut-rich stews to fiery deep-fried favorites and spice-loaded curries. Today we're making three classics: Kerala chicken stew, the ever-popular chicken 65, and the bold and aromatic chicken Chettinad. Let's start with the comforting chicken stew from Kerala. For this, heat oil in a pan and add cloves, cinnamon sticks, ground black pepper, and bay leaves. Once they sizzle, toast in the onions and saute till soft. Now add green chilies for that gentle kick, followed by the chicken. Give it a good mix. Next, add vegetables one by one and stir until they soften slightly. Now pour in the thin coconut milk, season with salt, cover and let it simmer until the milk reduces. Finally, add the thick coconut milk and let it cook until the chicken and veggies are done. Creamy, fragrant and mildly spiced, Kerala's chicken stew is perfect with appam or rice. Now for something fiery, the legendary chicken 65, a deep fried snack that's loved all over India. For this, marinate chicken with curd, spices, ginger garlic paste, corn flour and salt. Now let it rest for at least 2 hours in the fridge. Next, heat oil and deep fry the marinated chicken till golden brown. Now in a separate pan, add a little oil, saute ginger garlic paste with fresh chilies, curry leaves and a sprinkle of red chili powder. Now toast in the fried chicken and coat it well. And there you have it, crispy, spicy and addictive, best enjoyed hot with a squeeze of lemon. And finally, we're making chicken Chettinad, one of South India's most iconic curries. For this, start by marinating chicken with salt, turmeric and ginger garlic paste. Now keep it aside. In a pan, dry roast red chilies, coriander seeds, black pepper, cumin and methi seeds. Now grind them into a fine masala powder. This is the heart of Chettinad cooking. Now heat oil in a pan, add whole spices, then saute onions with ginger garlic paste until golden. Now add tomatoes and curry leaves, then in goes the marinated chicken. Now sprinkle in some dhania, jeera powder, Kashmiri chilies and cook it all together. Now add the ground Chettinad masala and salt. Let the chicken absorb the flavors as the masala coats it beautifully. Finish with fresh coriander leaves and you've got a bold, peppery and aromatic curry, best paired with rice or parota. Now there you have it, three incredible South Indian chicken recipes: a mild and creamy chicken stew, a crispy fiery fry and a bold Chettinad curry. Which one would you try first? Do let us know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to Times Foodie.